I love being outside. The birds are singing. The clouds are bright and blue. Hang on a sec. Clouds aren't blue. The sky is blue. Wait, is it the other? Never mind. Playground. La 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 da 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 da. Whee! Oh. Whoa. Who is that? Excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt you, but who are you? Oh, who, me? Well, my name's Aiden. But you can just call me JX492690014182439X25B78D. I'll just go with Aiden. I'm a helicopter, and I can fly high in the sky. What's your name? Oh, well, my name's Marklin Engine. Well, pleased to meet you, Marklin Engine. You want to see my first test run? Oh, yeah. And also, you sound just like me for some reason. Because the person who makes these videos is too lazy to hire another voice actor. Oh, that makes sense. All right, let's see you fly. Count me down. 3, 2, 1, go! Take off time. Toodles, Marklin Engine. Woo-hoo! Ow. Whoa, that was amazing. Even if you crashed at the end. Oh, thanks, kid. Oh man, I wish I could fly. Who knows, kid? Maybe you can. Yeah, alright. Hope to see you around, kid. Woohoo! Aw, man. If only I could fly. Wait a second. Wait. This isn't one of those cringy dream sequences in season 22. I feel bad for myself. I can't do anything. If only I could join you there in the air, floating free without a care. I wish I could fly and see things from a different eye. If I could fly so very high and touch the sky and never have to ask why it is that I can't fly. Oh, ow. Oh man, I feel bad for that kid. He can't fly and he's a really bad singer. Anyway, time to launch. Up, and away! Oh man, there goes Aiden. Wait a second. I think I have an idea. It's time to fly. Greased side rods, check. Angry Bird slingshot, check. Complimentary peanuts, checkaroo. Ready for takeoff. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Wait a second. Oh my god. I'm flying. He's flying. He's really flying. They laugh. They scoff. Before I had liftoff, and now I'm flying high in the sky. I'd love to hang around to say I told you so, but it's off to fly with Aiden I go. Or AKA 49628JKX4. Forget it, I can't memorize it. Roads and streets are not for me.
Help! Please help! My style is up a tree. I've had her since I was a little girl. But now it looks like the end of her world.
Don't worry! I'll save her! Or him, I'm sorry, I'm assuming it's gender. Here you go!
Thank you, Bird Engine!
I love flying! Wait, hang on, why am I going down? Oh my god, no! Kid! Oh my gosh! I'm coming! Oh, Marklin Engine! Kid, are you okay? Wake up! What happened? Aiden, is that you? That's J69128478D61294832996X12 to you. But yes, long story short, it's me. How come I stopped flying? Kid, you were never flying in the first place. Hate to burst your bubble, but the slingshot just thrusted you so far that the gravitational pull was too strong and you stayed up for a long time. I should have known. Kid, here's the thing. I like you. Well, you would be the first. But you have to understand that there are some things we can do and some things we can't do. Thanks, Aiden. I'll remember that. Of course, out of those things, flying is the best. But I can assure you, kid, in there, you can do amazing things. That's the first time anyone's ever told me that. Until then, hope to see you around. Up, and away! See, I can't do it either.